Welcome to Never Static, Engaging Strategies for a Dynamic Website. In this series, we explore the crucial strategies to keep your website evolving and engaging. In Part 1, we'll dive into the importance of website evolution and discuss why a stagnant website can harm your business. Your website is the digital face of your business. It's often the first interaction potential customers have with your brand. But what happens when your website becomes stagnant? Let's explore the critical reasons why keeping your website up to date is essential. Firstly, outdated information can be detrimental. Imagine visiting a website and finding old promotions, expired events, or obsolete contact details. It not only confuses visitors but also damages your credibility. Your audience expects accurate and current information, and failing to provide that can lead them to question your professionalism. Outdated information sends a message that your business is not actively engaged, which can be a major turn-off for potential customers. Secondly, a stagnant website often leads to a poor user experience. Web design trends and user expectations are constantly evolving. A website that looked cutting-edge a few years ago might now seem clunky and difficult to navigate. Slow loading times, broken links, and a non-responsive design can frustrate users and drive them away. A well-maintained, user-friendly website enhances the overall experience, keeping visitors engaged and encouraging them to explore further. Lastly, let's talk about SEO. Search engines favor websites that are frequently updated with fresh, relevant content. A stagnant website with outdated content and no new updates can suffer in search engine rankings. This means less visibility, less traffic, and fewer opportunities to attract new customers. Regularly updating your website with new content, blog posts, and relevant information signals to search engines that your site is active and valuable, helping to improve your rankings. So, is your website keeping up with the times? It's time to take a critical look at your current site. Evaluate its design, content, and functionality. Identify areas that need improvement and plan regular updates to keep it dynamic and engaging. Stay tuned for more insights and practical tips in the upcoming episodes of Never Static, Engaging Strategies for a Dynamic Website. Subscribe now and make sure your website never falls behind. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.